Yes,
we shouldn't make mockery of the person.
No, not at all. And when I did so many problems here, then Ebano, ya find it today elections in the way Lucy keke. It's them will be a Lucy no mammy. To them will be no mammy if you no papa if you. Oh, no, who you pay be no dofu be ni fear be, neja party be, neju may be a finisa. The men and lost way in elections. So yeah, then it's here to two abraboma. Internet say most of the time say you are managing ye Shemesi or Rwanda, Shemesi or Africa Coast. A whole lot. Here can examples in Africa had ya ye baby granny that day. Yada quature. Until we hear papa the yebo shade. Say ye read the madina. I think if you chiribano. You go to one and more year, ya saw, I know, and very, very, very important. And I say, I'm sure New Year, sir, it affect the economy. In that the me be traffic and children cry. This is not a crab Friday. I know. And
for about 2 weeks back, and also 3 weeks back, traffic and walk room.
Yes. Well, you know, for all you know, up till now, no business ventures be all crowd or to on the assay. Obi pero ko bu adwuma bi e wo region bi or twetwe ne ase because of emotions are here then eleba anti say ye tutu ye tutu atenka say ye to abewi a ebo so ye no say ye tutu na ase anyuma pii ye then etumi ye then etochima
Mr. Desema ye hwe sene o ka say ye to abewi atenka ne ade na atenka sign e be krom like me pese me hu say me twi no what are some of the emotions that back krom after elections.
Good and who here papa we be say question meche mu mienu because ye ku abien obi mu ahuru adikan obi mu so eji na me mpede me use the word negative emotions and me pede me use helpful and unhelpful.
Okay,
atenka obua all things being equal ne de ya na mo na yetu no on sheda nkofa nsunsun aso bone ye den emba chi se okọ extreme and ye wo atenka bi so a omboa and what no say ye ntwetwe ye ne ase ne ye hwe nyama bi ye ya otum kofa nyama boni bi ye den Ibrahim. This is the very first one abosue amanfo no mo hwe ma iye no ye nuanu a wadi nkunyim adofo a wadi nkunyim no anyije abeden abosue ho very very important there abeden ye bohu de maade no anyi dadu bi so aba eden ama won ehun hia papa awrehemi bi ayeden aba ma make it as anti won no papa no atinka papa na re yeden enwa betena sesiare na se yekọ the other side na yensu ye bedi akiri na awerọwo abem nse abemubu ayeden abem obi di na hoodin ni sika ni yimidi nti ne be na be ma ayeden ebu obi isuro kura ayeden abem the more you pay all be me what do they mean na me ye na the more you pay wa be e be ade no so de be or de be yem
so dia no opportunity no when treat nipa ni you see and tables have 10
nti dia na nti fear kura suro kura ayeden ewo obi kura ntumenda ba na obi da be 12 one na yin ayeden atil depression ebeden ebebem awerɔho de no
icing on the cake.
That is it. It's soon obi mo ho awerɔho ankasa ayeden abosɛ won nti atenka bo na aba ne de edoso and the very another one am pede ye ka ho asempo ye atenka bi e be frɛ no menjintum obi ono obo na ndwuma o say obi nya ne mi o say ya daye na me so obi nya ne mi am the gospel ya me ya de kakra nten say akwet there say wa soro so sorry you still not you and December 7th no yes it's also a form of atinka bede amoso enyipa ade onje ntumbi onhu de bibi de mi ampara ade esi nyipa be very anxious kikip na ni yema ade ache no enti de matinka boni nyinala aboso ade enyipa na enyipa so na yeyin bobuman enyipa na yeyin won bobobra enti said martin ken na etum aboso enyipa wa bra o friend den elections akona wie ya na se ya tutu no form da na che da nyama pi be den bokoboni obi osura bibi osi da di no buman obi ayo ho ato osi da di no buman enti oda ya fa kwan bi do a ye botum ya manage dem atenka abose yina very well.
Kwan bi do no, we have to know the roots as a country. Say okay, obi a ehu ahya ne ma re, hu ahya ne ma, menta me hu asane ade ahya ne ma, ontumi mfa ne mbu man. Enti no as a country and as a nation no, ye better than yetumi asoso sa ne ma we nyina no akeka bom ayi ne be ye film ne ade ama yetumi e de abu o man.
Good. Ebi say question papa. Yeah, na questions ni bi o ha manyi je ho. Papa because oman nyina la ye wo Njuma what did that or no eba elections. Ye woman a woka bia ye elections ho. Nti yem dede bi said no man ye besiden ye 2 anamo kra ye bo 2 e wa tinkem a dikin me pede ye hwe pa bronyi be friend trust.
Okay.
Jeji. Ye besiden ya mama jeji atenka e beji hin e wodama abrem. Na obi be kra na jeji so de ya to abere we jejo say ye koye anyim ehun hia papa because
Titino is on the part of who is trusting, who is supposed to trust. Is it me citizen, should I trust what is happening or who is trusting?
Say am make questions ni bia na o hie papa dem jeji aye ka wase me na jeji no ye ka na den nti ma ba ho no o de yetum ye mama atenka wo frɛ no jeji no obeden obosen yin question na Mr. Addison dem abi say na Mr. Addison jeji ne de amina amalusi no na minji obi ndi anade obi na awalusi no obi a wawin no na onjimi ndi nti na meka da ye wo won a wo ka bi ayeden eyeye na yenhwe electoral commissioner ebi ade na electoral commissioner be ya odi jeji be ba be den abose oma no na ade kura manyi je ho kakran de bibi yipe ena woda na mo abeden aboto ho se bibi a woka na se obi ntasa na de bibi abo wan de wodo ho nchechiremi bi aden woda aba ni na ye jeji anamotu ni yeden ebi
okay
na ade ba ku so ye be yen de impanyimfu na woka bi a oyeye no obi ara bo hwe ne kasa mu ye ne nkasa mo yin hu de benkuma na miginan yimfa na me yeden miginan nti ye hwe bibi ti de peace council ebi asem na wo beka ebi anamo no wo botu na ne da peace council panyin ba ko o ya adi bi manyi ji ho ankasa de one of the interview of Joy News no so nyimpa bi ko wo ye wa fa won ndomum se da wo tui ehye won do na nyimpa ko no bi se da nti mo amama police fo ate papa no tu anamo bi na manyi ji ho papa anyi da mi jeji na ye ka ne bi o so bebi aye ji na se age ye ya adu de yala yenwo be den ebekasa ema ije ya eden atoyie no so nka mo police fo aso eden nti no so bibia yeji na ano ne yempede ye be pagya ekodu da membre ne nyame na dum ara so yenwo akasa me bibia ara eden atoyie jeji na ye build no bibi no opanyin no wa akira de bibia mi gina ye de mentumi gina yimfa me gina bienkum Ghana no ho do na eden ema ijeti de dem kasa o gina onyo kasa no ma dem party no eti won ho ase wo twen won ho no that party will go back and they will never revenge another one be violent towards them because of the behavior and the stance of Papa no wide we take or security apparatus at hand and go to invoke any of them call on them and actions will be taken. But to all pay or money ye yenti wo kwan a oda eden oda fado iyi na ye ka no jeje kura baba so de mama yentie obiara wa asopem ehu hia papa ability to listen ebesi de na
because ofo sa nipa no asam na kan se benyansa ni mu kan se utie
that is it because one of the emotional skills that here what this particular time by listening yes intiminyime there press conferences alipado ni na no o man panyimfu no a woka bia ye ni na ahimfuli tei are you getting my point peace council fully tei obia le tei no asompem aja ehu hia pan de se tei bibi asopem a eye din ala bohu bibi papa bi ewom nyipa nkasa keke nyipa on say there obebe gina ho onyi kan obeka na ye me dede around press conference na abani na no nyamani bi wo ho a mpanyimfu so atu ho anamo wa mehu de wo tei at least opposition ewa asopem very very important. One of the social emotional skills I hear by this time is the ability to listen to whoever is speaking. And who hear papa inti me ma yemfa obiana small kebia yen totona se obiana small kebia yen totona tra Minister for Information Kojo Opon oye bibi ma no so manyije ho edu baby na de ye hu de parliament ni mu le ye achepat obakasai na se ite na asopem ebon de opia che de se ade ne payo so ye de mpo na already no bibia ya woko na wotwetwe ho ne ase no ondoso ite asopem ne bi no nti se parliament no ma aye no Ghana fo akire won de anade mimi meka de Ghana fo akire ye embranyim fo anade won a wo hye embrama ye ne de ye hia wo de wo beka won ho abom na wo adwen Ghana ho first into okay bibi me hu de it's still okay, we can still work with this. We are saying here then emba na yiyi nti mu biala ne ka biala no ye tima mu fi so ye din na ye den ye nti yes ite na supema benya bibi papa bia den afimanyi panel kanum yes ye nyina yesusu ya so de oyi party A or she party B nti mo le kan do okra na e hore de no say ente ya besi den na nya bibia den afi nti the most important trust says mo biala kanu electoral commission hwe aseme yimpia raise me yenhwehwem yebohwem ne ebia inyema yenso ya bachem do o demi ye den enye ane de demi obim so wo kasa toto ba ni na ye transparency ni bi obobu ni simpem krotin no opede a ocheche nyama bi mkakra manyi paso ye den etena ase ehu hia papa ni na ye way of building trust after elections very 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 important dem amike yama matima so anya adwuma
okay
meli ye meli ken se wo nua se wo party a se wo busonya
se wanka sampo na ya ka kire
wo ekabeka tima ya za obemama ye gina ye ewo ye na sympathy empathy ehu hia papa yen dudo yara ye hu nti bohu de everything must be in moderation bibiale yintwitwa don kakakra jubilation kakra oye because jubilation nankasa the way you more na the way you wo abra libotu anamon emma nsuso pabi abado amanyipa na what why den ekosi won ekwo jubilation nankasa eden ewo not just the numbers now jubilation ali so no go say sia next 4 years or till then until you start thinking about your jubilation in the next 4 years there e bia na mo na mi botu nti ye bibia me no aweho so aboso ye no woma eno so ye moderation enwa me piache because hwehu de aban mu no ye wo bienkum hweyimfa na yimfa so ayede ahwe bienkum se eco finance na ade a minyima aban mu nyama ba miyim de opposition and what that the committee na den ano
there are some committees comprised of all of them.
All of them. Be crowd or chairman no opposition. That means he said, a man bunu yen such a way there. My yawajo there. Me my ban or woman to know you can do everything. There be bringing friend checks and balances. It is said the more hoja and no be a dinner and a bar bibi ye day and see that. And we hear papa. Into yentie asupem. Na yemfa odoso odo me yenkyere do ma yen ho frɛ wunua no wunua no oyim de wo party wadi nkugu ana wadi nkunyim no yes both sides ni na la to me frɛ wo kodwo ati ne yidi ye wie yen no adekura yen hwɛ be ye o ma no na yen impatem no be den ebotumpo nti yen twa na monwo a obemama odo abosai o ma no ehu hia papa na mi ayehim de yempanyimfo etu de ma anamo ne pi yem promote asomdwe so
okay
ehu hia yen musem and most of the time no say edinku imumpo a wenu asem no eya bro ibeka mo onye reconciliatory
bibi obetuma aka
afana afa abuma ehu hia papa ya tinke bia ya tinka papa nti enum asem ne ba ebon de fi nkrofo na la wonu wo fi de when my some le be say bibi no if you the when my some le din kabom na yeden ejeba ehu hia papa o de yehwe the margin ana o man no so mama yemfa yensa ngu yenti de bibi ala banahwi bunyi fe no optimism yenya hwehjem na gidi de Ghana ya di ebiye
because so say say na parliament here akoye say akoye champion bi mususu say anase say bia say opposition enya majority in parliament ebi mususu say ombetumi sabotage niema ama aban ne ntumi nya na dwuma yie ne ade but ne opa che say enya gidie say bibia be ye
yes ade ba akoye de hu de say Ghana the whole world me pede me research but me rate Ghana citizen ye to abafi we now as one of the best in the world. I'm telling you, the signal pa na that so many years so na de bia work na Ghana we are descending na ye chire ye mamanfo hu na the margin we no yes we are seeing na hu there Ghana we are ready to uphold this democracy. Yes intino se wadwe ekotena ho na le bo bibiara egua think of your 4 years ne de meka che me yanku bi de eye good obiara awonde botobi mama ya wodo people are going to match you word to word are you getting
back to the performance
yes performance to performance the fact that enwini seat in this 4 years no e make kick obi ato in you automatic dra wo so no betena do da bi wanu ma asema le beka kire o man for today ebi obu na de ba ma manfo are you getting my point? Yeah, these are things that nkrofo hwe na wo de to aba nkrofo wa adwon ye dey enkodo emotions are very crucial in decision making when it comes to balloting obi wo abaye adwani na but wenu ma asem kasa na ekoka no ho ba bi na edi yimitia de bu won no obokwan ye dey against you yes enti maguo sesi ano ye bo hwe won de mu botum mu aka mu ho abom na mo de Ghana yes akona yi mana mo antuma oh be won nyina obesen akọ market on the wall yes so no they have to be very smart because ya smart in egua yes your friend voters no Ghanaians are
very discerning
yes 4 years to come hwe there a lot of graduates so there leba and more discerning radio research nyamem nkofuru research nyamem nyomere change into obi are very smart with the trend no bejeja ho you will be taken by surprise because you vote mu ho the mama man nkweyi so we are looking at them to come together when there's the need for them to come together the man ba then why do we vote for you Mama Carter says yes into baby odo obi agina na do onjina na do baby odo you na so mekoso you na menko because ye bo hwe ni inala that is the level of young elections in the boko it's a very very important a very good signal power to everybody and to every politician yes why would they so
and you know, deducing from Neo can just say as a country, you know, we should trust, we should learn to listen, and we should empathize and sympathize with Omomo Walusino. It's just be a main a party chairman, party secretary, woman organizer for we need to know me share my uncle we have
gone beyond that. Hey, lose 50,000 votes. I'm telling you because Obi show. Say Ghana, young pian to qua young peace, no, and we are there in Yaye. It is say you're there, did Agra. Be a problem. And they say, everybody in Ghana here. Say, if you are about to ayatuna, ye problem, Piade, ye pe leader, another group of leaders are on the fight to corruption. Anybody that will win this particular way, no. And fight on corruption, the person is ready to go. I am telling you, yes, because you see, those times now, yeti yamebi, since now yamebi owa, amount for it's their right. Instead of you
until obi to me we need parliamentary candidate on a ticket of maybe I'm say NDC. Not presidential and MPP renew.
That is it. No maybe abaye ya who say ye right. first na ye feel say we na ye man be kakra no ahu be kakra no be dia ma ba bi say obeka say me kra na ma be say because people are beginning to know say ne papa ne tax ne ye keka bom ne ye de koye saade we
that is it
well titi no na sa enyimidini na la no it's within some circles be but teacher an ordinary person is getting to know say e kon na we atwa no me brother na order brochi ne remittances na order ban tax ne kakra na wo yi fido no e contribute into your naraneja you know right so there are serious things a man for abortion we say siara very very important and one of them is the respect for everything that we will hold dear
and every citizen
yes as a nation yen kasa ya betena radio do in the kasa ni na ale yakofom be kakra na hu tesu cheja betena do or they yeah because majority of the people how many people will be on radio you getting my point yes it's how better one be feed there wouldn't be reality but we take they take their decisions in their room.
Mr. Addison, Sisiano actually as a country how we can manage emotions in a day but as an individual me Melusi me fast Melusi elections Meraho me a Merini I me feel say many a jam and abroso me so me feel say Melusi the but as yes me ain't na Melusi all the emotions that are me feelings that are me anxiety this all these things how do I deal with it as an individual?
Good very very important because individuals na na ka bom na beye omano na first no dey yin there or there eji atinka na aboso e wo mprempre no huni ye na genetum
okay
na react naturally be organic in your reaction what you are na you are lying back
but Mr. Addison not to be an organic reaction acquire something which is there but maybe your phone lines at this time but you how to do organic reaction me to open no be abo masuma Mr. Addison 0244231707 and the phone lines no 0244231707 you bet to me afre now also no emotions are who come sisi no so who hear mo out there friend Mr. Addison e ma ehun se na ekọ be emotions be bia wo sisi no ne ma ekọ so wo nyina no ma yehu what is happening where you are 0244231707 Mr. Addison
good.
Organic reaction. Some two way pa me ka obi asem na obi ba na obebo masum a ade ye me ya mama minsu
ehwo ni the momo organic reaction no me pia kire se sun
okay
man kan nhye
okay
nti awa elusi no ehun wala ji hu tumi that is the antwen ya denial na ye ka ho asem no bebe aye dem nje ndi bi se yampo but I think bi aboso e wo wusika akom ahodi akom nyimdi akom but anyede ankoyie nti ola gitumi de ampa de awerho abeden abosem that is the first baby because sebi yare na enyim de yare beje adibanya onse se odina wakonya problem nti wala hu de se awerho ato da then anamonka ya yeje brewo no oni na be ye adwuma ama because one of the things I ever can answer me there as an individual no your bibi brain friend unplugged
Mr. Addison Pacho we dey ma me ne ma hwefo nyina nkasa me nim say mo try say mo be free bebre but mo fra call no emba me ha direct o fra me producer be fa ansa na one me wa connect wo e dey ama me to fra no wanya abotre na producer na wa kasa na fe wa connect e dey ama yen why munya abotre but to friend so na reduce u TV volume no fe na ya kasa afa phone no so na asama opesa odi tudwa no watumi e dey atudwa na yen so ya wa hanso yatumi ate asama woka na se mo aye ho a ye de be ma wa yatumi e dey ama fe medam ase nyankopon nhira mo se mo yesa mpacho to aso
good enti ejitumi de mi wia enti se isu no ode su asu suka krewia na de eja sir no ode sirwa sir because obi na yaji na wo se mon sir de enti na ode opanyin obi ala kan oh enyije no onyan nkakakra the man awe ho no so enti wu de waja tumi de atenka bi de ma de aboshe ho enti se atenka bone na aboshe ho da then you unplug share aye to them
I think I have a caller. Hello.
Hello, madam. Good morning.
Good morning, Bema. I'm Pacho. Your friend said now kasa free him.
That's from kasa free to be quiet.
Okay, Pacho kasa yeti.
This year, after election, they only say, Kuma, you doing too much. And we don't know what's going on. So you say, I'm going for revoting, and I say, this is because it's your family, and I'm going to say, NDC say, I'm going to and I collect about election anymore. And she has a say, I say, or that I say, and okay, and I say, and okay.
Bemana, no crack, but no, and you're revoting, and I yes, there is a due process that they will follow. Mama Yan and TSA, Omontiasia resource now, Abano, but they will take all the legal means to make sure, sir, Bibia Ebeko ye at their mom. Intend no crack. Yeah, that's it. It's
a yako individual, another. I say, you who fee, and you may be Mikakra.
Okay.
Because say, and you may there news. But could see news. Never how jubilation be recorded, never how you put a limit on your social media activities in our crown and no sweating about what. And since I be here, do not say, I will be another Bibia about so one of the things I will individual about with it. But to where fee in Yame Bia or Bokwa Konya, the margin Abba.
I have a caller on the line. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Ben Mama Chen.
Why, Mummy?
Me patrol your first, I can say free him.
But a friend of that, I'm on the cafe, but I'm also.
Me patrol can say it to your papa.
But your friend of that, I'm on the cafe, was some house.
Me patrol reduce your TV volume, and I am Casanfa for
Mama, open was abandoned another. But you, Mama, open was somebody. Not the new about it.
Yo,
Madame, no.
Yo, that's
it. Not a good father, yet nothing. Some community amwa.
Yo, community amwa, that's it. That's it. I mean, sure. I mean, sure. Just not Obia or what's our situation? Social media crying, who said, go for you, maybe better where they are.
That is it. Who now could pay ya? Akumana, open to me, I Achon Hokakra. Yes, we just check a crack. When down for 4 minutes, you avoid some of the argument.
Okay.
We fear Pona and I say Bushiano. Yen is our argument in here, then, and film, political, because the more. Like come on, some I didn't yawn near day. Or both two, but still no be him and send me will be better. I can't. You need to switch conversations at a point in time.
I have a caller on the line. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Papa Machin.
Yeah.
Me patrol your friend and I can say free him.
But your friend for Snam, that's free.
Hello.
To the agenda, my mamma, from my need your
Sound.
Oh, you know, I'm some man. Now, there are no get the
That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Me patrol na o kasebia social media ni ade no e wo se nipa no entwe ne ho flo na ima ebia meti area den a mepie fi me dem ba mepie nso se nkrofo nso osere me amenya dem
hu se eno na ye ka se afana afani na ra no nti asrwa from lekobe 3-4 days down osere na chere entinya me bi ase me ka ta nti obi so sro dem na hwere ba ha wo mpo a botum atwem boko abra mama onyi de mama dem monsro de bi papa bi a wo so besro ba me ye ka de no so ne sro no ye nyina ye peni ye nti ye sro kakra na ye twado na ya concentrate e wo adwuma ayi de ye enyim nti afana afani na la no ye mama Ghana ho do na asomdwe ne ye den endi ye enyim anu hu hia papa
le yanko Cape Coast na yanko hwe yanko hello.
Hello, madam.
Hello, boss. Good morning.
Fine morning.
Me patrol udini ye say Abraham Cape Coast patrol kasa meet you.
Me chat I mean resort say a calculate of so branded something and interesting. It's no way be before man.
But some men nankasa wa babontina beka de oye mistake nti no wa be correct ni mistake.
It is why mistake and some other question other can be channel bia.
Okay.
Why mistake? Why can't I get an oko? I feel that to talk about Ghana. It is left and right. You know, like yes, I declare maybe that's a mistake. Ow.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. But for so the when nipa ho e den atoro bia wo kasa kra wa no to me fom. Enti no so why mistake no agi atum. Say why am from so no asan babonten dia. Ghana for yesre mo me fa nche no ati.
No se ni na aka atenka na aboso nkrofo no ho bia. Nti yeto ase but dem America no yina yema yemfa asomdwe ndi enyim. Odo ndi enyim. Dem asibia no dem American transparency no. Bibi touchma kra na yimpa tu ho anamo a we should still be able to appreciate and understand na ye move.
Okay. Okay, mamenko ahomane so embra hello. Hello, be me na machi.
Yeah, no, madam.
Me pa cho ye fro se ka se free.
E fro me apatrapa. E pe me ka se apatrapa.
Ye fro se na ka se apatrapa. Hello. Okay, me patcho reduce the TV volume no na yen kasa fa phone so na enye simple ma ye nyina why. Be ma. Me da say. Me patcho kasa meet you.
The next imagine say mama wo ya je friend them. But you no could be an you na ya bachelor no. Ya je. Sa mo dey 20 months. You be there. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye bye. Na just up patches say na wi abo ye no. Sa na nsuo so to ya aye nti no ye be fa ne sa. Na Mr. Addison, me pede me bi say say if me wo fie na bia me nua bi anasa me wo fa bi ana baby me hu de election see the person was so much involved maybe anko ye amana na say ko ye man but the person is going beyond board. What can I do to help such a person to put his or her emotions together?
Very very important part there baby aye do no ye bobo aye hu nti ebotuma afre unua no
pause na yenko nzema na ye ne Abdul Salam. Hello Abdul. Me pacho kasa.
Your mama will win into Mumfana dear man and she see with your pet.
Yo, Abdul, that's it. That's it.
But I do about quite a year, Abwa Unia there. Order it to mama. Otta Sinonia, daughter still or your Unia. A bushia, or mine. It's about to my friend. A bonabado. And say, be or a bimpa. Be feedenka or be bimpa and ye. What dinner do be
power constituency or doors. I know one corner to me a question. Yes, I don't cry you are a winner.
That is it. I adore the bring before recognizing his strength. There, oh, it to me, Gina, Asha, Abe, Yan, Ayade. Are you getting my point? It's one of the ways. Now, another way, there. Yen won't enter to them a day. Yet another. Okay. Mama, woman, yen who there a battle no. And nuaye and ebusia and o maye no difference ye den ewom ye wia ye wie all of us become one again because ye nyina ye ntumi nhwe benkum meye den ye de mala ye den ala obi be den obohwe yimfa nti so obi kohwe yimfa eno nkire de sebi wa yo mamboyin idabi there and pay na mamuru can jinapo another jinapo nti you kwa kire he there if you ba kumino obi botuma akonyi fa obi botuma aden akobenkum order the margin yetumi ye na yen support won so ewo abra ye betie won asopem
okay
no me kan ye tie no bi wo ba bibia wa adu no kasa na opedo kasa tinya botare ma mo ye den on kasa ye fi na no ko ma no
kasa na sa so bi antie wa ya frustrating
papa yes inti friend no odasem no be fa ba bi den kra nya botare ma no mon kasa nya ho na ko blame ye ho na ko ma solution and suggestion bebre jan mon kasa ana asem bi so ho be kan de mi nyomi pe mi mponi din da ni na ye ya oni bia don't take it as the gospel truth. To the yaw to me cover the margin in hide and eba. Into so be na me ya wouldn't be na me ya bim no I can't be bimpoa. Dem ye na ye penny ye no. My madam me yaw no fat to chain. Now my who bear 2 weeks or 2 months or after Christmas but let the margin in I etwa mboy ba ko so e be boan de nyamena dumala Christmas de yen e ya adoye mbre e ya odombre abra Yesu be yi odo kese e kire wiase na enti mo madam odo no ye de take over from now ne yen hu de sabi ye nyina ye wo anyigem na nkrofu pi re bomba de run off man ye den member
Christmas yen to me
that is it nti sisi anu mo ye madam anyige na odo no nti yen wo anamo biara ye to biamu ena mayen bu anyimtia wo atenka wo fam so ho
okay
na won kuti na wa ba busa na de da bi yan de bro friend validation
okay
o de kwa me metase mi de
aboka
yes aboka domra shem ayede na nkoyi but we are saying ye den emba na wie yi wo se no nsano obompia bie anapa de kro ho enyimrede kro ho nti yi nsemi bia yebotuma kan den we should help them to yemfa JDB nyeden enhye wo mu wo brother bi anyeye fra no mena wireshem mani JD mfatu pi fa den fama no onipa we ye dey ndahwem we kodi Joe Biden kra hwe ne history baby a dem do try ho baby kra wona ni ticket kra wo man fa ma no but nde president elect in US nti inyinda no payfo obu on baby de inyinda owo china nti yi yansem na nyame bia se yetum ye de bua nkrofo a won so se bi we kodi dem bia na obeden ebabua wunua the same party in a primaries in a unit to ho e bia ono so okwa no wanya come together obi an frɛ no ho oh kwame what's in neighbor be ye no won po de be frɛ no mpanyimfu bu baby what's here papa ye fa ye bona ye fa abra litwa na mo de obi na yinje no na wara so le ma ho yinje ehun hia papa nti obi enya wakwa awerɛho mu obi enya ne sika asɛi abra re frɛ no listen nkran ni na no na wala na le ye ho yi amama bufu bi nkofa nkopagya ne ho nti na yeke de mpanyimfo no ho a woka bia ye ni na wo mama wanum asem no on your door on your on fasumdwe ye den embra because at the end of the day no wan kasa na idu asumdwe no asumdwe na be den ebebu
what you sow is what you reap. Yes. Okay. Mr. Addison, yemre no aso enesa enunti no ye de ebesi habate answer na obeko no final words, your final conclusion. Nkofo a ehwe nyina we da mo fanche me phone calls na say ndi ya manche da ambo mama ne mo fanche na calls ne ba say na line ejame afobia de ntumi mfam mba yesre mo fanche but before you leave your final words.
Good. My final word in there. Woman ye na ye nya odo ma ye ho. Ema ye man. Tima ma ye ho. Tima ma ye man. Na me ensen hu de awerehim ewo ho. Enyi dado wo ho ma obia. Bible no na de cho konkron ni say. Nyame wo ma bibiara ye den ebeye. Nti enyinde no owo china na wo man hwe hu de aban so owo limitation achira ye 4 years.
4 years
nti yinti na lekokun hu yinti na leja wi yinti na pede bibi boni bi etwala etoman na bi oman ya botare ana san hwe hu de checks and balances ana sesi asumpo abana ya ato no wa mama Ghana ya de papa afi na citizens no ye be enjoy because it's anu ye na ye be kire won de demi na ye den
ye pe manye ni say ya chesi ade no obiara ya let wo bo se wo yin na wo de ye bete o the whole world obiara ye den elehwe dem ya ye no mi wa ye shem de ye be san den aye bi atinka boni bi ama no mudu bia no mpanyimfo no yare ye hu no ye mfa kwan bia ye bo so wa no me bibiara atoye amaye. Mr. James Kwesi Acher Addison.